regular. I'm talking takes me better. Oh my goodness, y'all, my hair grew overnight. My hair grew overnight. Like, can we get into her? Like, can we? So y'all, listen, I'm not gonna hold y'all too long because I know y'all want to get into how I got this, but I just had to come on here and tell y'all, shout out to Beauty Forever for sponsoring today's video. Y'all know they got your girl back. Yes, we're back again with another one with Beauty Forever. We're Beauty Forever. Y'all, I'm so excited because let me tell you something. I don't care what nobody say. And I'm not just saying it because I'm continuing to work with them. I'm saying it because it's the truth. Baby, when you get introduced to good quality hair, you can kind of tell the difference between good quality hair and hair that's not the best. And baby, Beauty Forever is up there with the best, okay? Period. Like, hands down. Every wig that I have received from them, from the body wave, from the straight, now to the kinky curly, baby, she is giving. And it's the fact that you literally don't have to do too much. And it's everything, right? Right. Anyways, y'all, so today's unit that I am sporting is a 20-inch byebye knots kinky curly wig. It's 180% density, 7x5 closure. So my closure goes all the way across here. Now I'm gonna be honest with y'all and tell y'all a little secret about these pre-cut closures. You have to kind of play around with it to get a position on your head. Because they're mainly made, in my opinion, on my head, they're mainly made for like middle parts. But as you can see, I finessed it and did the side part, but you definitely have to be able to tweak how you position the closure. So I just want to put that out there. But yeah, they literally send you the dome cap, the milk bands. They send you press on because your girl need her done. Y'all, I just want to say Beauty Forever. I have just, like, hands down, I'm about to leave. I'm about to go outside with this unit because I have not left out my house with it yet. But the fact is, I already know that people gonna be thinking it's my hair because, girl, what? She is giving, like, realness. She is giving me all I need, like, I'm going to keep playing with this because I don't know if I want it flat or if I want it with like volume. But either way it go, y'all, listen, they got it right. And I want y'all to go get y'all one. So I will leave everything that you need down below in the description bar. Make sure you are subscribed to the channel because if you like this install, then you're going to love my channel because baby, that's all I do over here is install the wigs because that's what we do. But yeah, again, shout out to Beauty Forever. Thank you so much. And let's get into the install. Let's go. So we back again with another Beauty Forever, okay? Thank y'all so much for sending me over another unit. I'm so in love with all of the Beauty Forever wigs and products because, baby, if it ain't just the wig, it's the hair quality. If it ain't the hair quality, it's the accessories. If it's not the accessories, it's even down to the stocking cap. Like, girl, they is giving y'all the HD stocking caps. And y'all go look on Amazon, baby, they $6.99 a pack. And some of them in the hair store be like $5 a packet, baby. You get it for free in your Beauty Forever package. So, shout out to Beauty Forever, okay? First thing first, y'all know with these pre-cut, pre-everything wigs, like literally, I don't know how I be turning a 5-minute install into a 20-minute video. I really don't know because it literally do not take me nothing to take these wigs out the package and put them on my head. Now, I ain't gonna hold you. Today was one of those days with this particular unit. I just wanted to do something different. I didn't want to do the, middle part that it came in. As y'all can see, baby, they give you parting space. The parting space is there. The 7x5 closure, baby, it be doing what it need to do. I just didn't want to do the middle part though. I just didn't. I don't know, like I was in my little side part era, but I had to see what it was going to be given, so that's what I did. And as y'all can see, when I took it straight out the pack and put it directly on my head, y'all can see, baby, this is no spray, no nothing. And can y'all get into the closure? Like, do you see do you see the product? Like, do you see the product? Like, Girl, right here, it was not melted, nothing. I literally just snapped it on my head. And if you into big hair, don't care, then this is the unit for you. Because, like, right here, you can stop if you want to. But y'all know me, baby. I just, like I said, I was in the mood to do a little something different. But, baby, I would have walked out the door just like this. And what about it? But I felt the need to go ahead and do what I do best, which is shake up the room. Walk into the room and shut it down. That's what I wanted to do, and that's what we did, okay? So I just flipped that thing over to the side because I wanted to see what it was giving in the side part, and baby, she was giving what was supposed to be gave. But right here is where I ran into my little errors, okay? This is where I came into my little problems. And I'm going to tell y'all what the problem was and what I think you should do to fix it. As you can see, I flipped it over to the side. And the good thing about it is my natural hair up under this wig was slit to the guys, baby. Like, she was literally laid and slayed, not delayed. Okay? So, it made it easier for me to camouflage the two together, right? But like I said, just taking the wig out the box and putting it on my head in the middle part, I did not have to use the even spray. But because I wanted to do something to the side and this wig was not constructed to do that, honey, I had to go in with a little bit of even spray. But y'all can see right here in the beginning, right here in the front, I didn't need it. So I used a little bit of even spray. I sprayed it down. I put my band on. I did it off the camera because, again, I don't want y'all to think that you need it, but baby, I needed it, okay? So, yeah. And now I'm going in to define the curls because I did like it flipped over, but the hair was just too big for me, and it wasn't giving the look that I wanted it to give. Like, I wanted to give natural baddie, and honey, right here, she is giving a pack of yakky hair, and that ain't what I was going for. She real cute, but it's just not what I was going for. Baby, I did my research and I know what Beauty Forever Hair can do. Okay, I already know. So, I already knew. Only thing I had to do was go in with a little bit of water to define the curls, and that's what I did. And as y'all can see, with just water alone, honey, the curls were starting to pop. But I just felt like I had to go in with a little bit more because, honey, I wanted the curls to give what? Natural realness. So after I went in and I drank this hair with all the water in my little pink water bottle, okay? I just felt that I needed to go in with a product. And as you also can see, I'm using a big wide tooth comb because with these types of curls, you don't want to manipulate them too much because then the more you manipulate it, the bigger the hair gets. And I still want it to be tame. So just know, if you're going to do this, get a big wide tooth comb. That's just my little pro tip, my little gem on that tip, okay? Listen. Also, this wig reminded me why I cut all my hair off because, baby, listen, through the valley of the shadow of death, okay? Anybody who got all this hair on their head, I think it's so beautiful on you, but, baby, listen, perm me, sweetie. But, yeah, so I'm just going in with a little bit of mousse because, like I said, at this point, as y'all can see how these curls are starting to pop, honey, I was starting to feel myself. You can still see my little closure up there, but it's okay. I was starting to feel myself. This hair was starting to clump up, and I just was like, this is so pretty. I was getting so excited because I already knew, like I said, what Beauty Forever Hair could do, but it was also like, girl, baby, we finna get into it. So I had to go back in and I straightened out the roots a little bit with my hot comb because I wanted to make sure that all the hair was going in one direction to give it that look that I was going for. And y'all gonna see what I mean, okay? So I'm going with the wet stick just again to make sure that I am getting that hair to go and mold in a direction that I want it to fall because I'm not really going for a part. I want it to be like a flip over. Like, you know how I just woke up in the morning and I just flipped my hair over? That's what I was going for. And as y'all can see, like I said, with the wide tooth comb, I'm manipulating the hair again. So it is disturbing the curls, which is making the hair big. So y'all going to see me go in and redefine the curls because, girl, I could not keep my hands out this hair. But y'all also can see with all this that I'm doing, I'm not getting no shedding. That's crazy to me. That is so crazy. But at this point right here, I felt the need to go in and cut it to make it frame to my face. Even though this is 20 inches and baby 20 inches was literally hitting me like a 24 and it's curly. But baby, I had to give me more so like a 16 to make this hair fit to me. And to like give me the look that I was going for. So I just want to just keep reiterating, everything that I am doing to this unit is what I wanted to do so it can fit me. If you get this unit and you put it on your head, you might like it long, baby, but I wanted it to be, naturalness, period. And here I go again, putting my hands in this hair. I could not keep my hands out of this hair. One, it was so soft, and two, I was just like, girl. But here I go again with some more products. Like, baby, I gotta go buy some more mousse because I just could not keep my hands out this hair. It was just sending me up a wall. But y'all, it's so pretty and it's so lightweight and so airy. And y'all, I actually did wear this hair out, and the first person who said they liked my hair was my mama. And I was like, oh baby, she like it, I know it's stamped, okay? And I also went to Target and somebody else told me that my hair looked good, and that's 2 compliments in one day, baby. Yeah, get into it. So I'm going in with my diffuser to diffuse those curls, so it'll help me keep my hands out this hair and also freeze all of those products in and make those curls look juicy and plump. And y'all, just get into it. A lot of people tend to say when they get units, they feel like they don't receive the same units that influencers get, because when they get it out the package, it does not look like what you see on the video. And in this unit, I am going to tell you, if you take it straight out the pack, it's not going to look like this. In order to get the unit that you're going to receive, because I know you're going to order it, to get the curls like this, you must use water. You must use mousse products to get this hair to pop. Like, no ifs, ands, or buts. The hair, okay, itself is bomb, but in order to get these curls like you see, baby, every little step that I'm doing right here, you're going to have to do as well. I'm going in with a few finger curls in the front because, like I said, I want this hair to be defined. I want it to give natural tease. And if I had hair like this on my natural head, this is the same exact steps that I would take. So, yeah. And also, if you don't have a diffuser, girl, don't go out and go buy now. Just use your blow dryer on low heat and control it. Just don't blow dry your hair, but control it. But y'all, as y'all can see, honey, this hair was bomb. 10 out of 10, recommend. I'm going in with some hair mist to make it like it's wet. And girl, I'm ready to go, baby, because it's giving real with the fluffy edges and all. Okay, go buy you one. Tell them J Monet sent you. Check the description bar and add it to your cart. Period. And I'm out.